full face of e.l.f. I literally got monetized in 1 month. I don't really understand the wand aspect. I'm gonna give you a little spoiler, right? I had a suspicion that it was, girl, set that. I have the e.l.f. power grip, but I kind of like somebody right now. Setting powder now. I can't tell you guys. All right, cool. So, full face of e.l.f. I've never filmed a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna see how this works, but I love like being able to like pull back your hair with these. I did just kind of realize that I didn't get any e.l.f. cleanser, like an actual foaming cleanser. So we're just gonna use the e.l.f. Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm right here. So cute, it comes with like a little spatula. I'm filming this out in my living room right now because for whatever reason, my battery, if I am in my bathroom too long, it just gets way too hot in there. It doesn't work, so. This is actually a little bit more oily than the first cleansing balm is, and my makeup is just coming right off. I feel like I'm gonna wanna go out after this. You know, like when you like get all your like hair and your makeup done and you like feel really good? You have to go out. Like, I'm not gonna waste this. Shoot, I might have to film another vlog after this. I have to update you guys. My new favorite Starbucks drink has been the pumpkin cold foam, or it's the cold brew with the pumpkin foam. It is so good. And then I just get 2 Splendas with it because I like mine extra sweet. So e.l.f. has always been one of my most favorite makeup brands ever since I started buying makeup, honestly. And I think e.l.f. for what it is, does the best at that price point. Okay, so that did a really nice job of removing my makeup. Let's answer some of you guys' questions. The first one comes from Riley. It is, what advice can you give to a teen girl just starting high school? She also says, love you so much, your content is so entertaining. So super sweet. My advice, we're going in with the e.l.f. toner right now. My advice, if you are just starting high school, is be nice to people. Don't be a mean girl. Don't be catty. Be open to making new friends. It's not worth it to be a mean person. Don't be a mean person. And also try really hard in school. Will this be an everyday makeup look? Yes. This did so good at taking off my makeup, by the way. This is my favorite type of toner. I like the really like thin one that kind of like just like glides over your skin and takes off whatever's remaining. Love that. She also asked, who are your favorite YouTubers to watch? I watch so much YouTube. I am like a YouTube girly. So right now I'm really obsessed with Adeline's camera roll. She's one of my favorites. I just find her giggles and she's so entertaining. I don't know how I feel about this. I really like My Fam a lot. Darling Desi. She has a really good, I don't know, really good style. Hannah Elise, Stephanie Bros, Adelina. Adelina or Adela? Adela a lot maybe? What's your favorite piece of clothing in your closet? Okay, I'm going in right now with the e.l.f. Oh, actually no, before this. All right, so we're going in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is my favorite primer from them. I love it. It makes you look poreless. I also have the e.l.f. Power Grip. It's a bit too intense, like more of an everyday. This looks so good with my photos, so I'll just do like a little bit. What is your favorite piece of clothing in your closet right now? It is that Free People denim jumpsuit. What advice would you give to your younger self? I would say don't like worry so much about what other people think. I feel like a lot of time I would have like this super intense anxiety about like what other people were thinking about me, and it's just like I should have been more focused about just like going on and living my life and like enjoying the actual moment that I'm in, instead of worrying so much about what other people were saying. What is your favorite foundation and lip color? So this one right here, I'm going in for my foundation right now with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is my second favorite foundation. It is very glowy and looks super, super pretty. I do really like it. But my favorite is the Kosas foundation. It has SPF 20 in it, I wanna say. This one is great. I don't really understand the wand aspect of this because I kind of just do this. All right, so I just kind of like dollop it all crazily. How do you stay motivated to clean? It is hard if you let cleaning get out of hand because then it is so much to do at once. So what I do, the first couple minutes in the morning, I do like probably 15 minutes or less of cleaning. Like I never let it get overwhelmed. When you let things pile up, then it's just really hard to find the motivation to clean because that's a lot of effort. I have a little bit of PR. I'm so excited to open this one. Miss Blue, and they reached out to me about sending me some rings. You guys, it's so pretty. I picked out 2. They come in these really nice boxes. This is the first right here. It is a lab-grown moonstone. Look at her. So this one right here, it is a lab-grown sapphire. So thank you so much Miss Blue for sending me those beautiful rings. I will have a discount link below, 10% off your order if you feel like buying yourself a ring or if you're looking to get engaged. Definitely go shop them. They are amazing and they have so many rings, so go check them out. Thank you again. What is my opinion on glow recipes? So I'm actually filming a video coming up here of my opinion of everything that I've bought so far. I'm gonna give you a little spoiler right now for watching this video. I am coming around to it. At first, I was underwhelmed and I had a suspicion, this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I had a suspicion that it was making me break out a little bit. Now, I don't think it is actually making me break out in the way that I thought it was, and I'm kind of seeing some results. I'm 50-50 on it. It is very different than anything I've ever used before, so I don't know if it's, I don't really know if it's good or not. What is your style and aesthetic? Recently, my style, I've been trying to do like a little bit more of like this like cool color blocking style. I like the Y2K stuff a lot for sure. Next I'm going in with the e.l.f. Brow Lift, which I do think I like this one better than the NYX. And now I'm into this. So what I've been doing is I just do like a little finger tap and I put it on my eyebrows like this. And then I take the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil and I just brush it up. I also really like the gothy grunge kind of style. I think that's fun. What advice do you have on starting your own YouTube channel? So those of you who do not know, I literally got monetized in 1 month of being on YouTube, which is like honestly crazy. I went into this with the idea that it was gonna take me 1.5 years to get monetized, and it literally happened in 1 month, which was crazy. If it had happened in the course of like 1.5 years, I feel like I would have like really had a good opportunity to kind of like hone in my skills, get like my target audience, and like find out what my style is. So I'm kind of like learning at the same time as like being monetized. My biggest advice, I'm a big YouTube watcher and I'm sure you guys are too, where you watch a lot of YouTube videos all the time. Understand what you're looking for and like why you click on videos, why you keep on coming back to certain people's pages because like they have a personality that you like, or they are good at editing their videos, or they have really good thumbnails. It's honestly just about like 1, knowing the culture of YouTube, and then 2, following through and posting videos, because posting videos is really tough. If it was easier to make YouTube videos, more people would have like a YouTube channel. It's a lot of fun to edit them, but you like really are putting yourself out there. Just be brave, post, be a big fan of YouTube, watch YouTube videos. I'm gonna do the HG setting powder now. I'm a little bit too glowy. They're totally gonna go out after this. You know, like when you get your makeup done and you're like, I feel so good right now. I miss the setting powder. The setting powder is really nice. Especially if you're taking your photo for like a passport or something. Or I'll set that. I'm gonna touch up. Tiny pimple right here, right here. Favorite skincare and makeup products, and one you wish you had. This is so hard. I really like the whole Bioma line, and I really like my Ordinary serum. Those are my 2 favorites. In love with the Bioma moisturizer. The pink bottle is amazing. If you like CeraVe, literally try that moisturizer because I swear to God, I didn't say that. One product I wish I had. If you guys watched the vlog where I went to Sephora and I didn't get the pink serum from Drunk Elephant that was $90, but I like debated it for a long time. I really wish I had gotten it. Going in with the e.l.f. pencil now, I'm just gonna do some fine tweaking. So I wish I had that. What made you want to become a content creator? I am a very creative person and I love watching content a lot, that at some point I feel like you just wanna try a hand in like creating it yourself. It's been a really fun and really rewarding hobby. I really love the whole community of being on YouTube. Next we are going in with the e.l.f. Putty, what is this? The e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. The fact that like I get to talk about makeup and you guys are so sweet and supportive, I really super love it. Also, I'm not good. Like I'm not a corporate girly. I can't see myself ever working a corporate job. I like the creativity behind this. It's fun, it's exciting. You get to work with a bunch of fun people. I get to meet you guys. What does a perfect day by yourself look like? Definitely starts off with a nice dog walk, coffee, and a great breakfast. I never, ever skip breakfast. Then after that, I would like to go to the park. A flea market day is very fun. A little workout if you have time for a run. Oh my gosh, if I have time for a run in the morning, that is so nice. I'm going in hard with like this putty bronzer right now. Next, we are using the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick. It says multi-stick. I don't know if I would put this on my lips ever because it's like that would just look weird. But on your cheeks, I mean, look at that. This is somewhat comparable to the Rare Beauty, but but not as pigmented and a little bit more shimmery. Still pretty though. This is turning out really pretty. I'm kind of really impressed. Do you have any goals you want to achieve by 2024 or any goals you want to achieve this year? I do. It would be really cool to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, which would be like low-key kind of crazy. I'm also working on this project, which I can't tell you guys about just yet, but let me tell you, if it happens, it would be amazing, and that's one of my goals. So there's more details on that. I can't tell you guys about it though, but I would love to if I could. Another goal is I want to leave the country this year. I'm getting my passport renewed. I want to go to Paris so bad. I just like want to go and get some croissants. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. I want to go to the Louvre. I want to go to Paris. Another goal is, I'm still looking at maybe getting a car. I am throwing Thanksgiving this year. The pressure is on there. I'm not gonna like jinx it, but I kind of like somebody right now. And you didn't hear it from me first. You can tell I'm happy, basically. So we'll see. I don't know. But honestly, 2023 has been amazing so far. What is your favorite childhood memory? I have so many. I had a really good childhood. Honestly, if I could go back to my childhood, I would do it. And now I have to be the adult and take care of myself. I really like summer. I was on swim team in the summer, and we would have fun swim meets and we'd have fun pizza parties. I loved it. I'm going in with the dark color. I'm gonna do like, my idea is, again, we're keeping it like, I want to say natural. I have a lot of on. Try to make it a natural-ish looking. We'll see how it turns out. I'm not a makeup artist. No, I'm not a makeup artist. I feel like the sun went down. I'm gonna go open up the blinds real quick. What's that? That's a little bit better. It got really dark all of a sudden. What were we talking about? My favorite childhood memory. So yes, I really liked swim team in the summer. All the holidays I really liked. Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. I think most of my favorite childhood memories revolve around food. I love food so much. I loved Thanksgiving. I think I liked swim team because we would always have pizza parties, and I liked Halloween with all of the candy. So fun. All my favorite memories are food related. All right, so this is the Precision eyeliner. I don't think I've used this before. I'm nervous to use this. All right, don't be gloopy. Nobody breathe. Not bad. I just did like a little bit on my eyes. I wanna go out after this. I don't know what I wanna do. I'm being so indecisive today. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Big Mood from e.l.f. It is like really voluminous. I've used this a couple times before. I really like it. I could not find my eyelash curler for the longest time, and it was bumming me out. I found it recently. It was literally like in the most obvious spot of all time, but honestly, like if you do not curl your eyelashes before, it makes the biggest difference. They are just so much more voluminous when you actually take the time to curl them. Always curl your eyelashes. When I'm doing my mascara, I always like brush them, like I kind of like angle it like that and give it kind of like that slanted effect. Or else my lashes like are just like too straight. This is much more flattering for my eye shape. Okay, this is like always the hardest part. Do you do bottom lashes with mascara? I do sometimes, and then I end up regretting it sometimes, but sometimes I like it. I think we'll do a little bit, but we're gonna try to just slant it. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with the lip stain, which I'm a little bit nervous about trying a brown one. Ooh, it's really brown. Oh, I don't know about this. Okay, it's kind of cute. I think I kind of like it. It's actually not as brown as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so this is my full face of e.l.f. And honestly, I'm kind of really impressed. I don't know if the lips are too dark or not, but everything is super cute. This whole look is so easy to recreate, and it literally did not take very long at all. I really like, okay, I think I might go out. I think I have to go out at this point. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off now. I love you guys very much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you literally later this week. Love you all.
So bad, as the night away, when nobody's awake, I'll be the last to stay.